If you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! As you can see, we're back in our hair era, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into it. First things first, let's go ahead and take this weave out. This is the Mercy Hair Extensions Kinky Straight that I had in last month. I've had Kinky Straight from Mercy Hair Extensions for about a year and a half now. You've seen my hair in its natural, and I'm doing quotations right now, natural state. It's because it's been in my Kinky Straight era, okay? And I love it here. So what we're gonna do is take this weave down. I actually did this weave with the last stylist who took down my hair that a lot of you are like, that was not it. This is the one that I had my black and white kind of like salt and pepper hairstyle, and I really absolutely love it. So I'm going ahead and gently trying to take my hair down. It was easier for me to use the seam ripper because even if I can just follow along the line of the weft, it's going to catch onto a thread and it's easier for me to take it down that way. The last time I used the scissors, I end up cutting my hair. So no, I'm not going to be taking down my weaves with scissors. Okay, do it with a seam ripper. So much easier, safer for your hair. And if you can have somebody else take it down for you, it's even better. Okay.
With gold. Is your love for me faded? As your fondness grows.
Seriously, this last stitch, the last track, that stitch right there, it literally almost ruined my hair and my whole day because I couldn't see it. I couldn't pull it. Like, it just wasn't working out, but I finally got it out. Yay. This is how much new growth I got. I only kept this weave in for about 2 months, so my growth wasn't as much as my previous videos.
Show me the door to your soul, my baby. I promise it's you that I hold. Open your eyes to.
After I took this hair out, honey, my scalp was free and my head was hurting. So I needed to just go ahead. I need to go ahead and massage it a little bit because, honey, I was tired, okay? I went ahead and detangled my hair, and I've also found out the detangling brush that I have been telling you guys about. This is actually the Tangle Teaser brush, but it's the fine hair brush. I bought the Type 4C brush, the Tangle Teaser Type 4C. The bristles are so hard, and I felt like it was just ripping out my hair. And I also feel like because of how hard the bristles are, they don't detangle as gently as it should. But because I bought the fine hair one, the bristles are very soft and it actually detangles so much easier and more gentle. So now I'm gonna go in and wash my hair, and I'm washing with the Silk Elements clarifying / neutralizing shampoo because I use Silk Elements to go ahead and TEXLAX my hair. I also use Silk Elements to wash my hair.
Stepped away for a moment.
I went to Sally's and I bought a bunch of things. Salon Care Cholesterol Cream was one of them. I wanted to do like a deep moisture mask on my hair, like a deep conditioner. So I went ahead and put some of that cholesterol cream on my hair. It doesn't feel as slippery as other cholesterol creams that I have tried, but I feel like it definitely hydrated my hair. I parted my hair, made sure that I'm pushing it in so that I can get on every strand, and I go ahead and twist my hair. That way I can make sure that it's covering everything. And no, I don't detangle with this specific conditioner because it's not slippery, and I feel like it wasn't gonna give me like a good detangling slip, and I don't want to break my hair, so I just applied it, sectioned it, reapplied some more, and twisted it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
So after that, I covered it with this shower cap, conditioning cap, and yes, I left it on for over an hour, okay? This is me about to color my Mercy hair extensions.
Room, what did you do? I just can't get it.
This is the Malaysian Deep Wave 26 inches all natural color from Mercy Hair Extensions. I decided to add a little color to it, so I went to Sally and chose these two products. I feel like it's called Bening. I've always said Bening. Just let me know how you pronounce it down below.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you.
So the lady said to 1 tube to one of the small developers. So I used a 20 volume developer, which you're gonna see what the color is gonna look like later. If you want your color to be brighter and more vibrant, definitely go in with that 30 developer. But knowing me, I didn't want to do too much color too fast, so I went in with a 20 so I can see what it looks like. If you just take a look at that Mercy hair extension that you see how the color is a lot lighter than the rest of the colors. So when you buy from Mercy hair extensions, you can tell that the shades are like natural because all the hairs have different colors to it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that blonde. It's a deep strawberry blonde color or dark strawberry blonde color. I applied it all the way to the weft. Next time I'm gonna stop halfway so that I don't go all the way to the weft so I can get a much better match with my hair. The time was 1:40 when I finished applying everything. You're supposed to keep it on kept mine on for over an hour.
You won't let me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by my.
The rest of the hair, I went ahead and put the black benign color on it. I'm mixing the black hair dye and I'm gonna color everything black, okay? The instructions for this are very easy. It's 1 packet of the powder to 1 full thing of water, and I used 2. So went ahead and applied it all over. I also added a little bit more water to just make it more liquidy so it can actually cover all 3 bundles. After I apply it, I go ahead and work it through with my finger.
Myself asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Now, when I went to Sally's, I also wanted to buy a blow dryer because Mini-Me wanted a silk press. And I asked the girl there, she recommended this 5-in-1 ion because she said she has it and she absolutely loves it. The thing that got me was that claw looking attachment. Like, I have never seen an attachment look like that, okay? So I bought it and yes, I absolutely love it. I used the claw and I also used the brush looking thing. That brush looking thing has...
Yeah.
I bought a Big Mayol conditioner, a Big Mayol shampoo, and the leave-in conditioner. So I applied that leave-in conditioner to my hair, and I also applied my GVP. It's a 10 dupe keratin leave-in because I always put protein in my hair after I wash it. Going in with a Silk Element heat protectant.
You always make me feel like home, yeah.
Gonna go ahead and use that mole hand claw looking tool. This is a tool that you literally see in an anime, like for real, for real. This is an anime. I can't remember which anime I watched, but I feel like it was in there. Anyway, I like using this because it is like a wide tooth comb to just the initial phases of, you know, drying my hair, so I'm not putting too much tension on it.
You never.
So we actually traveled to see Joy, and Joy is the second half of Lush Manes, and Lush Mane is based in, I don't want to say Ohio. I want to say Ohio. I always get it wrong. But Lush Mane has 2 locations in another state and also in Ohemaa, Maryland. Joy actually specializes in tension-free hairstyles. So if you're like me and you are very tender-headed, you go to her. She's going to make sure that your scalp is not too much tension on it and you're able to, you know, wear your style without pulling your hair out.
My thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about.
That's the hair in the back. You can see the highlights in it. I think it looks really, really good. I feel like she probably used about 2.5 bundles. She put the bundle that had the most color in it at the top of my hair and the other ones in the back. And yeah, this is her undoing the braids that she had done in the front. I absolutely love the color in the hair. I love the hair in this state, the big brushed out state. I feel like this is more like my style than the defined curls. Like I would wear this, except it was so big. I absolutely love the hair blown out like this. Like the curls are not defined. I like it this way. I said, let's go ahead and define the curls. So that's what we're about to do. But first, she's going to show you how I can wear the hair.
crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
This is the time where she's gonna go ahead and cut the frame and also just make sure that the hair falls nicely.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
And then we proceeded to defining the curls. Overall, I think it's a fun hairstyle. Once it dries down and puffs up a bit, I absolutely love it. I don't like when it's wet and like very defined. I like when it's a little bit puffy because mama loves big hair. Okay, I love big hair. I will put the link to the exact hair down below so you can check it out in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots. Let me know what you think about the hair and I will see you in my next video. Bye.